Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today is Tablescape Tuesday. This is an open collaboration hosted by Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Guys, today is going to be a birthday celebration. We are celebrating Debbie Bubble's birthday. Happy birthday, Debbie. I wish you many blessings and a lot of prosperity. Guys, so I'm going to be doing a tablescape for two. So, and the theme is fall leaves. So guys, I'm going to be using a double runner. I have a give thanks runner. This is from Hobby Lobby. You guys can see this is from Hobby Lobby. It has pumpkin at either end, and I'm using a small gold runner on top of it. And these are fall leaves, as you guys can see. This is a napkin, guys, but I'm going to use it as a placemat. I will not be using any chargers. I'm just going to use this as my placemat. And as you guys see, I'm also using wood table. I'm not using a tablecloth for the simple fact the perfect for the fall season, guys. So I'm going to get together and I'm going to be using a square plates, and I'm going to be using my Better Home and Garden plate, as you guys can see. So there you go. And these ones are gourmet basic. This one called this chocolate swirl right there. So I'm going to be using this. I'm trying to use some fall colors. So guys, accompany me to do this. And yeah, guys, I will be leaving the host channels in my description box below and Debbie Bubbles channel. Guys, I'm going to get my candles and I'm going to bring you back with some more progress, guys. All right, guys, let's continue. And I'm going to be using my Dollar Tree mirrors. I will place one here on this end and the other one right here, like so. Also, I have this leaf for over 10 years, so since I'm doing a table for two, I will be using this as my coasters. So, and yes, it's in the shape of a leaf. I don't even know where they came from. Let's see. I don't know where they came from, guys. I can't remember. So I will be placing one there and the other one there. Also, I'm going to be using this one on the center. All right, guys. And I'm going to be using my goblets. They match the color of the table. Debbie, and if I didn't say it, I'm going to say it now. Sister, happy birthday. God bless you. I wish you many, many more. I'm also going to be using another set of goblets for the water. I'm going to move this a little bit down here. One there. And there. Okay. Let's separate this a little bit because I don't want it to be crowded. And the theme is fall leaves, so that's what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to be using I don't know if I'm going to be using my DIY napkin rings or my vintage napkin rings. So guys, let me do a little progress and I shall return, guys. Oh, thank you, Anna and Courtney, for hosting. Guys, if you want to participate, by all means, go ahead. They host this collaboration every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also, if you like to participate in more collaboration, go to Anna's DIY community tab and check out all the invitations that she has there. All right, guys. I added my fork and knife. I apologize for the noise in the background. I also added my napkin, and I'm using these napkins. As you guys can see, beautiful fall colors. So I'm using double napkins actually. I'm putting them crisscross like this because this table, guys, I always do a table that I'm actually going to use. Tonight, my husband and I are going to be using this table for dinner. So, you guys can see, I already have one here. So, and I'm using my DIY gold napkin rings. So, guys, I will place it right there on the top. Also, I'm going to be adding my candelabras, which it goes perfectly with the napkins and plates. Okay. Let's see what else. I feel since it's fall, I have pumpkins here. Maybe I add a couple of pumpkins here, not too much because the start of the show is going to be the centerpiece. That is a big centerpiece, guys. So let me see what else I'm going to put here, and then I'm gonna come back at you with the end results. All right, guys, this is what my table is looking like. Simple, but I think it's nice. And now let's bring the centerpiece. Since the theme is autumn leaves, here we go. This is my autumn leaf centerpiece for a birthday celebration, guys. So there it is. I said it was a big one, guys. So let me take you guys out of the stand and show you. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, this is what my table looks like with the candles on. You guys can see that is my flower arrangement from the top. That's what the table looks like from the top, guys. Simple, but ready for the fall within the birthday celebration, guys. I'm gonna turn off the light and show you the best way that I can with the lights off. So Debbie, I hope you like it, and I'll be right back. Well, guys, this is what my table looks like. So with the lights off, but it's daytime, so still gonna show like that. So guys, you guys might see some things on the floor. You guys know that I have a service dog and there's toys and bones on the floor. Guys, I thought I was not gonna make this collaboration into late in the week, but I think I made it. So once again, Debbie, happy birthday to you. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot the cake. We gotta have some cake. Hold on. Well, guys, there are the goodies. So, yep, this is my Tablescape Tuesday celebrating Debbie Bubble's birthday party. Happy birthday, sis. I hope you like it. And hopefully I catch you in the next one. And I'm gonna leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye bye, guys. Happy birthday, Deb.